Okay, so I've logged into, or I've just opened up a Google Chrome window, which you can also do from home. After I open up Google Chrome, you're going to want to go to the Alvin ISD homepage. And from that point, you'll go to Students, and then you'll see Clever Portal right over here. Once I click that link, it's going to ask me how I want to log in. I would advise logging in using Google. And of course, that's my name and information. But this is what your student's going to see, okay? The email extension's already there. All they have to do is enter their lunch number. And when they do that, they're going to see this landing page. So all of the district resources that they need will be here on the Clever page. So mine looks a little different because I'm a teacher, but if your student goes to the district page, they can find all of those resources that they're looking for. And if I show mathematics, again, mine's going to look a little different because I'm a teacher, but this is where they find everything that they need to log into. They'll log in through Clever as opposed to having to put in all the links and things like that. You may still be asked for the site code when you get to Imagine Math, and the site code is 4808090, and your student's user ID and password is their lunch number.